In this video, I will guide you how you can create WBS in Primavera. So as you can see, this is the Primavera that I have opened, and you can see there are two tabs, which is Activity and WBS. So first of all, let's understand what exactly is the reason behind creating a WBS. So we create WBS just to make sure that we break down the projects into smaller and manageable pieces, so that we can assign the responsibilities, we can track progress, we can track cost. Now, in order to create the WBS, what you have to do is you just simply need to go to the WBS. If it's not visible here, you can simply go to project, and then project, you will see the third option is the WBS, and then you can click on that and it will take you to this WBS tab. Now, if you want to add a WBS, either you can just simply go to the right, which is this one, you can click on that. From here you can add the WBS, or you can press the insert button from your keyboard. So I'm gonna press the insert button from my keyboard, and then also it will add the WBS. Now you can see that these two WBS are at the same level. You can see these are the same level just because of the fact that I'm clicking on this particular project. So again, if I go and press enter, you will see that these three are at the same level. If you want to give it a name, you can give it a name from here as well. You can see these are the names of that. You can just simply click and then give it a name. Now let's suppose you want to break down this 12.2. Let's suppose this is our house project, and this is our structure, this is our architecture, and this is our mechanical. So we have broken down these into this, and let's suppose I want to even further break down this structure into more. Like let's suppose there's a structure, there might be floors as well, different floors. So again, I can go here, press enter. Again, I can click on this one because I want to break down into floors. Let's suppose I'm having three floors. So three floors will be here and then here as well. So again, I can go here and then click here. So you can see, so this one, you can see this structure, and we have these two. So let's suppose this is first floor, this is second floor, and again I will go here to this, press enter, and this is third floor. Okay, so now we have created this thing. Next, what I am going to do is I will select all these three, and then I will paste all these floors in architecture and mechanical as well, because these three floors will be also present in this one as well. So what you have to do is you have to go and select this one, and then go here and shift select this one, select this one, shift select this one, select all these three in one go, right click, copy here, and now you can go to this architecture, right click here, and then paste it here. It will ask you what do you want to paste. Just simply click on OK as of now. So you can see you have successfully copied and pasted all of these three. So now you can see as of now this one is selected. Now you have to go to third 3F, press shift and left click. Now this one is also selected. Again, you have to copy it and then go here to mechanical, right click, and then paste it, and then simply click on OK. So this is how you can create a WBS. So whatever the WBS you're going to create in this tab, that will automatically get reflected in the activities tab as well. So you can see this is the activity tab, and here you will be able to see all of the WBS that we have created so far. Now in case if you are not able to see the WBS getting reflected back in activities, you can simply go to this group and sort by, and then you will make sure that this one is unticked, because if I tick this one, if I click on OK, because as of now there's no activity in here, right? So that's why it's disappears. And if you click on this one and then click on OK, so you will be able to see all those WBS that we have created in the WBS tab. So basically from here you can just simply enter the activities, and this is where you have to create the WBS that will get reflected back in activities. If you go here and delete any of the WBS from here, let's suppose, and then you will see the same effect in the activities as well, as you can see. So this is all about how to create what is a WBS and how to create WBS in Primavera.